Street bicycles. Scooters.
Read.
Avonturen bij het stoplicht. Santa Montefiore Fairfield Park.
Stop. Search on internet. Santa Montefiore.
Santa Montefiore is a British author. Her parents are of Anglo-Argentine background and she
Take me to Brusselse Straat.
2 routes available. Walking or by bus. Walking 5 minutes. By bus 4 minutes.
When does the bus come?
The next bus comes in 7 minutes.
Take me by the walking route.
Crossroad. Turn right into Naamsestraat.
Describe.
Bar. Restaurant New Holy Cow. Taverne De Kleine Tafel. Friend approaching Marie Peters. History. St. Peter's Church, the first church on the site, made of wood and presumably founded in 9th century. Facebook. Café Belge Leuven. Manuel Benitez Fernandez was here yesterday with David Vincente Martinez. Melvin Schoen, guess you needed more than one each. Marieke Reinders, were you guys drinking again? Wink. Do you want to like or react?
Of course, comma. Always drinking this Spanish.
Reaction posted. Dresses.
Color?
Pink with flowers.
Color?
Blue with flowers.
Take picture blue dress.
Picture blue dress taken.
Take picture pink dress.
Picture pink dress taken.
Post on Facebook. Picture pink dress. Picture blue dress.
Text.
Pink or blue? What looks better? Question mark.
Facebook posted. Reaction. Bart says blue is boring. Reaction. Mano says pink is so summer-like. Do you want to react?
Yes, react.
Recording.
Okay, thank you guys. Pink it is. Smiley.
Reaction posted. Review. Brasserie Notre Dame. 7 reviews. 2.4-star rating out of 5. Price.
I'm a local and I come here often. The food is very good for this price. Accessibility for blind people is not so good because of many stairs.
Review posted.